Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start your culinary journey by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large eggs, a tablespoon of milk or water, and a dash of salt and pepper for seasoning. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of your preferred fillings, like shredded cheese, diced ham, or finely chopped vegetables. Having your non-stick pan, whisk, and spatula ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the egg mixture. Crack your 2 or 3 eggs into a medium-sized bowl, then add 1 tablespoon of milk or water, along with your salt and pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously for about 30 seconds until the mixture is a uniform light yellow and slightly frothy. Next, heat a 10-inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat, adding 1 teaspoon of butter to coat the surface. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked egg mixture into your preheated pan, making sure it spreads evenly across the bottom. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the edges start to set and the center is still a bit runny. Now, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center with your spatula, tilting the pan to allow uncooked egg to flow underneath. When the top of your omelet is mostly set but still looks a little moist, it's time for the delicious fillings. Sprinkle your 1/2 cup of prepared fillings over 1/2 of the omelet. Continue cooking for about 1 more minute to ensure the fillings are warmed through. Finally, carefully fold the omelet in half using your spatula and gently slide it onto a plate. Serve your perfect hard omelet immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.